But yeah, we got I'm gonna say at least, what, 3 inches? Yeah. It was covering all the vehicles out here a lot better than this. But because it's about 35 degrees out here, it's melting off and it's sprinkling rain, so it's helping melt all that. You can't really see it in the video. But yeah. This is the great blizzard of 2025, man. The great blizzard of 2025. You can see it's melting pretty good. But it was pretty thick out here, man. All the snow. You can kind of see it dripping off the ceiling, off the roof. But yeah. Got 3 to 5 inches of snow last night. Kind of wish it would have stuck, but at the same time I'm glad it didn't. Anyway, just thought I'd show you all the great blizzard of 2025. See y'all guys later on Main Street Mopar.